fabulous 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage on a quiet cul-de-sac in Lindale ISD. Beautiful 2017 construction with open floor plan, granite countertops, wood floors, and stainless appliances is perfect for entertaining. Neutral colors, crown moldings, and plantation shutters just add to the beauty of this home. Stained cabinetry and custom barn doors provide warmth and a modern touch. Bedrooms are all nice-sized with good closets. Master bath boasts of separate shower and tub, double sinks, and wood-look tile. Unique mudroom area with ample storage. Large utility room too. Special financing available. Come see. Come buy.